The moment before the breakdown is often the moment right before the breakthrough. Nothing I did was ever good enough. I could get 97% of the way to unrealistic expectations to myself, and all I focused on was the 3% that was missed. The strategy that got you to here is not going to be the same strategy that gets you to the next level. Stop longing for what was, because there's a reason that you left it or that you changed it. And you are different now, so don't long for the past because you're giving away your future. Discomfort is actually a signal for growth. Change is inevitable. That's the hard fact, right? We're all going to experience some kind of change. But you can absolutely choose your path to how you want to change. Do you really want to be the person who has change happen to you? Do you want inertia to push you, or do you want to change of your own choice and your own volition? When you believe that you can do something, when you feel good about doing those things, when you've got a payoff, an emotional payoff at the end of that, as well as a physical measurable one, it becomes a totally different story you tell yourself. Your brain doesn't know the difference between whether you're making it up or whether it's actually happened. So if you start focusing on what you want, then you're going to create much more of that identity as your reality, identity that you're choosing to be. Figure out what's the life you want to lead. For what purpose do I actually want this? You've got your revenue targets, you've got your profit targets, but for what purpose? You've got goals to hire more team. For what purpose? You've got goals to get healthy. For what purpose? What will it give you that will be meaningful for you? And then at the other end of the spectrum, we chunk down for what or for whom specifically. Who do you really want to be? Dream about what we really want. Actually get in front of that inertia. Simplicity times consistency equals successful results.